Alright, so I bought a graphics card this morning for my computer. If you guys want to see what's inside my computer. Alright, so here is the graphics card that was in it. See how dirty it is, and this is after vacuuming it. It is this thing's pretty old. So, here's the receipt for it. $506.45, and what I got when I just started to take this off, I got a GeForce GTX 1660 Super. Alright, so let's see here. I will do this. Sorry, it's upside down. Right. I'm going to try to edit this so it looks right side up. Right. What do we got here? Ooh. MSI. Information, graphics card, user's guide, package of contents, software, hardware and software installation guide. We'll want to keep that. Reward program, package contents, we want to keep that out. Put that up there. Holy crap. Move before gaming. Okay. Oh, look at this thing. Turbo fans. MSI. HDMI. Okay, these are HDMI plugs for it. Cool hand. Alright. Let's remove that. These little fingers. Alright, so I'm going to install this onto my computer. And show you what it's like afterwards. Alright, here's a size comparison. Here's the old graphics card. Here's the new one. Alright. So this screw right here was a pain in the butt. Put the new graphics cards in. And I believe these are 16 gig RAM sticks right here. Could put 2 more in, but I'm not gonna worry about it right now. But it is in. Okay, so this came with the box. I'm gonna include this in the video. Tell me this, or maybe a separate video, but tell me this isn't just the cutest thing ever. How to upgrade your PC with a new graphics card, hardware and software installation guide. Yes, Miss Caramel. Miss Caramel. So here's the new computer. That's what it is. Goals currently playing Guild Wars 2 at max graphics. There's the radiator fan or radiator chiller. Goes on the CPU. Brand new case. Everything in this computer is new except for one hard drive. Everything's set up and running. Here's my setup. Printer. Rubik's Cube. Hydra. Luke and Darth Vader fighting over a watch. Jareth. Bobblehead. A salt lamp. Ant-Man. Skulls. Yeah. This is my computer and streaming setup. And but we're up and running. Nicole, how are you enjoying the new graphics card?
I'm
She's running
enjoying
around
it
like-
just fine, but I'm getting irritated with my husband who knows I don't like being recorded. Like at all, especially when I'm not asked about it.
Or put it back on the quality we were playing with, or you were playing with. Okay. I'll change it back.